Klaiyi here. Look good, feel great. That's what the box says. So I got this drawstring bag, a headscarf, 4 of these clips, and a pair of lashes. I also got this drawstring bag in the box, branded Klaiyi, you know, perfect for storage. And lastly, we have the wig. Okay, so this is today's wig. It's a gorgeous highlight Bodywave wig. Guys, I don't know if you know, but I do love getting these colors. I love getting this street vibe highlighted wig. So nice. It does come lightly pre-plucked. It is also 24 inches long. I'll put the density in the description box and all the specifications, as a matter of fact, so check it out. This is a 13 by 4 lace front. It is free part, taking part anywhere in the front there, and it comes with 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps. The lace, it's medium brown. This is not like deeply pre-plucked, so if you want to go in and give it more gradation, you can definitely do so. Oh, they actually did a center part here, but you can part it anywhere because it is free part. So this is how it looks. It does feel soft. It's full to the end. Yep. Let's go ahead and put this on. So I proceeded to applying the wig as usual. You know, I got to line it up with my natural hairline so everything fits perfectly and look, you know, really nice, natural, and, you know, seamless. So once I get rid of the excess lace, I proceed to apply my Got To Be spray, and I use my blow dryer on cool air always. Even when I'm doing glue, I'll use my blow dryer on cool air because that way everything just dries down effortlessly. If it's on hot air, it's not going to dry down, and that's brutal on your skin. That's going to be uncomfortable.
Does it take to realize what's going on? How many years have gone by? When will I reach the finish line? Does it ever end? Is there some...
Once I'm done with applying the Got To Be, the initial portion, I'll cut away the excess lace, and then if there are parts that are lifting and doesn't seem like it's melted, then I go over it with a little bit of Got To Be and proceed to blow dry it. After I'm done with, you know, applying Got To Be and all that jazz, then I take my elastic band to further press or melt, if you want to call it that, press the lace down so everything can look more seamless and natural. Once I was done with that, I kind of speed through doing my swoops because I always show you guys this, so you know it's not much to it. I proceeded to applying my wax stick, which I didn't show in the clip, but that's what I applied before using my hot comb, and I took my time because this hot comb is really blazing hot, so you don't want to burn yourself, so be very careful. I think I was using this on like 355. It was pretty hot and it laid the wig so nice and flat. I absolutely love it. But can we talk about the streaks? Like, I love the streaks on this wig. It's like, I know I showed you guys like so many streaked highlighted wigs before, and it just never gets old for me. Like, I love it. Once like you get a nicely constructed highlighted wig, it's like so beautiful. At least for me, I really do love it. You know, set aside from a nice curly wig, I can go with a nice highlighted brown wig any day. A body wave, that is. It's just so gorgeous. So I went in and I started to redefine the waves because obviously the initial waves that it came with were kind of like, you know, they fell. So I wanted it to look more precise and redefined, but big and sexy waves, you know. So I got my T3 curling iron, and just like with my hot comb, I have to be very careful with this because this is so hot. I usually just I don't turn this up all the way time to like sit and set. That's why I had pinned them up. So, because you know, when you curl up your hair, you don't really want it to, depending on how loose you want it to be. If you let it fall immediately out of the curl, it's not, the curls won't last, you know. So this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. The luster is actually really nice now that I've redefined the curls. Initially it did, I don't know, I felt like I wanted it to give a little bit more, but now I feel like it's, you know, it's looking good. It's looking really good. And the construction is pretty standard, you know. As I said, not a lot. There's minimal shedding, so that I can live with. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications of this wig in my description box. So shout out to Klaiyi here once more for another, you know, another bomb wig. It's really nice. You know, I really love the highlighted portions. It's really one of my like favorite looks. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig as well. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and be with yourself.